Yo, what's going on, guys? This is me, Samuel the Talking Gadget Guy 2020 here again on YouTube. And I have got a package from eBay today, I think. Let's open it and see what we got here. So, sorry about my clock going off while I'm doing this, but it can't be helped, I'm afraid. Right, let's see what we've got here in this package. Right. I'm sorry if I can't hold the camera and open at the same time, but yeah. It's just what it is, I'm afraid. Right. Yeah, I will be getting another delivery from eBay soon, later on in the week or so, but I will do another video of it when I do, well, get it working out. I will do a review of it anyway tomorrow, of this, I think this is a hamster I got in this cool package, but we'll see what we got. Okay, so let's see what we got. So here's the box that came in. It is very hard to open this, but I'm sure we will get it open somehow. Go. Oh, maybe it's not a hamster after all. It's a Singing in the Rain toy dog. I think I have got. I'm not sure until I have opened this. Maybe not. Yeah, it's a Singing in the Rain. Yeah, it's a dancing dog. And he is wearing I think it's a yellow mat and a umbrella. Is what I got. Yeah, it's a dog. Not the hamster, I'm afraid. I might get the hamster tomorrow, but I'm not sure until then. So here we have it. So here's the actual toy itself. So he's wearing a sort of a yellow rain mat, as if he's like out in the rain. And here's the umbrella. So he's wearing a mat and a umbrella as well with it as well. I think he might need batteries. I don't know. I haven't looked in the description. It might need batteries. I'm not sure. Yeah, that one doesn't have any batteries. So I'll come back to it when I have it with batteries. But there we go, guys. That's my new package, which I got from eBay today. As I said, I will get some more deliveries later on in the week. I will do some more videos of it in action, as I said later on today when I do have it with batteries. But there we go, that's my new castle which I got from eBay. If you have any questions about this this item, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And I'll be glad to help you out the best as I can when you reply to any comments or anything that you want me to ask. Please feel free to ask in the comments down below. Anyways, after I get it working in action with batteries. But yeah, hope to see you all soon later on today in the video. I'll get working in action when I do get it working with batteries, but there it goes. That's my new toy. Hope to see you all soon. And in the meantime, this is by the way, even though it came a few days early, even though it said it was the come between between Monday the 14th or Tuesday the 15th of September, but it came today in the mail. And it's only it's only Thursday the 10th, so yeah, Thursday the 10th of September. So yeah, got it yeah, a few days early, which is quite good. Even though I wasn't expecting it to be as early as I thought, but there it is. Anyway, at least I got here, so I know. So I know where it is. And as I said, I'll video it again when I get it working in action. At the moment, it hasn't got any batteries in it. Even though I would like to show it to you in action, of me showing you how to put the batteries in it, but I can't because the screwdriver, I can't use a screw on my own, so I have to wait until. I'll wait until later on when I have the chance. Well, someone helps me put the batteries in this toy, so I can show you that anyway later on today. But there we go. That's my new toy. That's my new toy dog. Even though I think it sings singing in the rain when I do have it working with batteries, but even though it does say on the actual description it sings that. But yeah, I got this guy for 15 quid for free delivery on eBay, and I think it's from the actual company or seller. It's from. They actually did it from a charity called St Helena in Colchester, St Helena, Colchester. That's the actual seller that they done it in, for charity in Colchester. So thank you to them for, in other words, thank you to my auntie for ordering this toy, and I can't say any more than that. Than I'm very, very, very glad that I got this guy a few days early, even though I wasn't expecting it to be as early. But yeah, thank you very much to my auntie for doing this. Yeah, thank you to her for doing that. But in the meantime, I'll show you this toy in action again when I do have it working with batteries. As I said, later on today, when I get it working in action. And yeah. So in the meantime, this is Samuel the Talking Gadget Guy 2020, and I am signing out. Bye.